Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. I'll explain cutting off gypsy or tiered skirt through diagram. So length of skirt is 33 inch. I've deducted 1 inch for belt. So 33 minus 1 is 32 inch. And I'm going to use 4 tiers. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. Adding 1 inch for seam allowance, half inch for both top and bottom. So each tier length will be 9 inch. In first tier, I've also added 2.5 inch for belt. So first tier length will be 11.5 inch and rest 3 tiers will be of 9 inch in length. I'll cut first tier according to the hip round measurement, but I'll add elastic according to the waist round. So in my measurement, hip round is 38 inch and I'm adding 6 inch of ease. So 38 plus 6 is 44 inch. So first tier width will be 44 inch and this is round measurement including both front and back. For second tier, I'll add 20 inch. So 44 plus 20 is 64 inch. For third tier, again I'm adding 20 inch. 64 plus 20 is 84. And for last tier, again I'm adding 20 inch. 84 plus 20 is 104 inch. So it's your choice. You can increase or decrease the volume as per your requirement. So I have cut all tiers according to the diagram. This is first tier. Length of tier is 9 inch and this is 2.5 inch for belt. And similarly, I have cut all other tiers. So I've just mentioned second, third and fourth so I don't get confused. Firstly, I'll finish the belt and I'll overlock the tier from the bottom side. Firstly, I'll stitch the side seam. So I made a stitch. Now keep the seam open and overlock them separately. I have ironed the seam and I've also folded and ironed the belt. Now I'll make a stitch to secure it. While stitching, leave around 1 inch or 2 inch of space to insert the elastic. So I have left the space for elastic. Now I'll overlock the bottom side of the tier. So I have stitched the first tier. Now for second tier, firstly I'll stitch the joint and then I'll overlock it from both top and bottom. So I have stitched it. Now keep the seam open and overlock both sides. Similarly, I'll overlock it from the other side. So second tier is ready. Now similarly, I'll finish the third tier. Now for fourth tier, I have overlocked it from the top, and for the bottom just double fold the fabric and make a stitch on the inner edge. So I finished all the tiers. Now keep the first tier aside and make the basting stitch on the top of all other tiers. To make the basting stitch, select the highest stitch length on your sewing machine and make a straight stitch. I'm using contrast thread so that you can see it properly. Now similarly, I'll make the basting stitch on the third and the fourth tier. So I made a basting stitch. Now pull the back thread to adjust the gathers. Now match top of layer 2 with the bottom of layer 1. So both pieces match perfectly. Now place the second layer on the top layer, right sides together. And make a stitch. So I have attached first and second tier, and I have also removed the basting thread. Now keep the seam allowance direction upwards and make the top stitch. So I have attached the second layer. Now I'll attach the third layer. Adjust the gathers according to the second layer bottom. Now match both layers right sides together like this. And now I'll make a stitch. So I have attached all the layers. Now I'll insert elastic in the belt, and for that I'm using this 1 inch wide elastic. Cut the elastic according to the waist measurement. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch, so I'm taking 26 inch long elastic. Now I'll insert it with the help of safety pin. So I've inserted the elastic, join both ends and make a stitch to secure it, and also close the opening left to insert the elastic.
So with this, my skirt is ready and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.